Hi, welcome to Luxury Gardens by Allegro Farms. We are a 2.0-hectare farm located in the valley of Guayabamba, Ecuador. We specialize in growing exclusive garden roses that go from exotically shaped to wonderful smelling. Come join me in this farm tour. This is our cream rose variety, Cream Yves Piaget. Is actually a part of the Piaget family. Yves Piaget family is named after clockmaker and jeweler Yves Piaget, and he is the one that designs the trophy for the best rose competition that takes place in Geneva. This is our Princess Charlene variety. She is named after Princess Charlene de Monaco, and it is bred by the French house of Meliand. It has a wonderful scent, and as you can see, it's different to any other rose you may have seen. It is pink, and it tends to turn a peachy pink color as we go towards the center. This is one of our best-selling varieties. Here is an Allegro Farms exclusive. This is Wedding Romantica. It is one of the 3 spray rose varieties we have. As you can see, it opens wonderfully, and actually it's not as small as you would expect with a spray rose. It has a wonderful scent. It's the perfect pink color. It's very popular with weddings. We expect this one to become one of the luxury garden roses' main stars. Here is also a very popular variety for weddings. This is our white Jean Moreau rose. This one is also a French garden rose. It's bred by Melian. I wish you could smell it because it has a wonderful, wonderful aroma. Again, very popular for weddings. It is just beautiful. At Allegro Luxury Gardens, we believe that the secret ingredient is love, and we make sure to surround ourselves with workers who have the same passion for roses as we do. Thank you so much for joining us in this farm visit. If you want to get your flowers door to door, please visit our website at www.allegroec.shop. You can also contact us via our social media. We really look forward to hearing from you.